In Greece, sailing is a favourite activity with locals and tourists, especially during the warm months of the year. Go island hopping and discover shores of incredible natural beauty and crystal clear waters so fresh and inviting. Greek seas and their endless coastline will tempt you to go on a sailing holiday in their waters. There are facilities to accommodate boats in most ports and marinas. You'll find out that Greece is the perfect destination for your seafaring adventures. Numerous big and small islands dot the Aegean and Ionian seas at relatively short distances one from the other. That means you'll be travelling from port to port within a few hours. Set sail and discover coastal areas and islands where locals are ready to welcome you. At night, join in their festivals and dance to Greek traditional rhythms. Visit picturesque islands where life follows a leisurely pace. Learn about local customs and traditions deeply rooted in each island, shaping everyday practice. Old castles and deserted villages scattered on the island hillsides offer proof of a long and sometimes tumultuous past which you will be intrigued to know more about. Taste fresh fish and seafood at remote seaside tavernas, accessible only by boat, a few meters away from the seashore. Explore out-of-sight caves and feel your adrenaline rise as you dive in your own private paradise. Rent a boat and sail away to lesser-known spots of Greece. During your sea voyages, include as many islands as possible and open up to new horizons. Discover pristine beaches and coves, drop anchor and have a refreshing swim under the blue skies. These are some of the reasons why Greece should be your next sailing destination. An experience you'll be tempted to relive again and again.